Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore the logging features in visionCATS, which provide full traceability of user and system activities, ensuring accountability and compliance with 21 CFR Part 11 requirements. visionCATS includes two dedicated logging systems: the System Logger, which records application-wide actions, and the HPTLC Logger, which tracks changes made directly to methods, analyses, and comparison files. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the System Logger. The full system log, only available with the 21 CFR Part 11 option, can be accessed under Tools in the side menu. It offers advanced functionality, including filtering by client, user, category, date, and text, as well as sorting, pagination, and export options to CSV or PDF formats. The System Logger automatically captures all key user activities. Each event is recorded with a timestamp, user identification, and a descriptive action message. For efficient navigation, messages are organized in a structured two-level hierarchy. In addition to user actions, the System Logger also records automated system events. These include scheduled backups, which are documented in the Backup Logger tab, as well as instrument connections and disconnections, and even application crashes. The System Log toolbox itself can be enabled or disabled via the Tools section in the side menu. Meanwhile, the System Log window, located at the bottom of the Explorer interface, displays the most recent 24 hours of activity. This view is available to all users, even without the 21 CFR Part 11 option. With its comprehensive tracking and reporting capabilities, the System Logger in visionCATS ensures transparent, reliable, and fully auditable system activity. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.